Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. Silky smooth caramel pudding with a twist of chocolate. It tastes even better when served cold right from the fridge. Let's see how to make it. So the first thing to make for the caramel pudding is the caramel. Add some sugar, some water into a pan. Let it get melted and get caramelized. In between, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out any upcoming videos. Add the caramel liquid into a heat-proof bowl where you're gonna set the pudding and keep it aside. Now into a large bowl, add 3 whole eggs. Whisk it nicely. Add some sugar and some vanilla essence. Mix it with the egg. Now for the chocolatey pudding, add some cocoa powder. Sift it and add it so that you can break all the lumps. Add 1 cup of room temperature milk and mix. Now our pudding mixture is ready. Strain and add this mixture into the bowl where we set the caramel first. Cover it with an aluminum foil. Place that in a steamer and steam it for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, slowly remove the aluminum foil. Check that using a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, pudding is cooked, but refrigerate it for 1 hour and then flip that onto a plate. If it's not coming out like this, just slide a knife to the sides and it'll come out easily. Here I added some caramel decorations. I have uploaded different types of caramel pudding recipes in my channel, but this one with chocolate is my family's favorite. So definitely try this recipe and let me know which is your favorite, with chocolate or without. Don't forget to drop a comment with your suggestions. The more subscribers we get, the better and more content we can give you. Thank you so much.